Resist. And I have this cool little pocket here in my little dance yoga pants, little tiny one. And just before we left, I stashed 60 bucks in that. And so as it turned out, I had cash with me. DIY, repurposing, revamping, costuming. I love doing costuming, but one of my favorites is getting those finds that you can find, like at a thrift store or something, and reworking it into a really cool costume. I just got back from Katja Yoon's Mosaic Center for Cultural Arts in Sterling, Virginia. She had her annual costume open house, which really what it was is a gathering of belly dancers who love costuming, and they brought all of their stuff. It was like a swap meet. So here's what I got. I have this grocery bag, but let me just, get ready. So here's one of the first things. This was called, and this was from, I think, Rachel. This is called a gunmetal. That's called, look at the shine on this. Oh my God, look at this. So this perfect, and this is really unusual for me because I'm really short, and this thing is like the perfect length. It's this beautiful, kind of a mermaid skirt, but this fantastic fabric. So I have this costume that I call a charcoal gypsy. It was a costume that I got in the Bedla that I got in Turkey in 2006. And I, of course, deconstructed and reconstructed. It's totally gorgeous. I wear it with like 3 skirts. And I wanted one of these simple things to wear. So I got this. And of course, I can't leave it plain. So I'm probably gonna add like some, a line of sequins or maybe glue on some jewels. Definitely something at the bottom because I like things super jazzy. So that nifty little piece also came with this adorable little tie top. And just to give her a little credit, this is Sharif Wear, and I had a workshop with Norhan Sharif. She was fantastic, had so much fun, held her 1-year-old baby while she gave the workshops because I was done dancing and having fun playing with the baby. So it comes with this cute little top. Again, I'll probably add some stuff too because that's what I like to do. So anyways, totally awesome. Got a great deal on that. So then I was talking with Lulu. Had so much fun meeting her. She had all this stuff, and then she had this bin, and I found this dress, which is so great because I wear a lot of these when we do school programs. And she had this, never worn it, too small for her. It's sometimes hard to find stuff small enough for me because I'm also really short. Look at this fabulous red dress with, I totally love these sleeves. Fantastic. What I'm probably going to do is take some cool little red palettes or different colors, and I'll probably sew them on down here, down the front. I'll wear it with a hip scarf. I'll probably I may turn it into a cabaret thing, but more likely I'll save it for like when we have a library or school gig. And that will be fun. I will also, because I like things to be really fitted, I will probably also, although it fits pretty doggone well already, sew in some darts to make it follow the curves a little bit more. And I will do something, I'm not sure, these were a little bit long, I don't know what I'll do. But again, I'll be making a video on how we revamp this. Okay, what's next in the bag? This was the $25 bag from Mary, one of the 4 Marys there. Absolutely delightful. She had so many cool costumes. Okay, so in it to start with, what caught my eye was this skirt, which some of the silver is coming off, flaking off. And I usually don't do stuff like this, but I was like, this is kind of fun. We've got some programs with wee tots and seniors coming up. I was like, this could be a lot of fun. She made this skirt. She did a beautiful job, elastic and a hook here. And she said she never wore it. But anyways, in spite of the glitter coming off of it, I thought it was just super fun. I called it the Halloween thing. Okay, so there was that skirt. Then she's like, oh, there's a cute little tie top with it, which, let's see, how does it go? Which I tried on very briefly there. Really fun, bright, beautiful shade of orange and fantastic, super fun sleeves. Again, it's a little bit plain, but what I see that is a blank canvas with fabulous sleeves. That's why I liked the sleeves. So I will check the fit first of all, and then make adjustments, darts or whatever that needs. And then I will for sure add trim, sequins, beads, various things to jazz it up. The little top. Also with that, she's like, oh, there's a cool little veil. I usually like silk veils, but I mean, it's just this spectacular piece of orange satin fabric. It's just fabulous. You could do anything with it. Make more pieces, make harem pants, use it as a heavy veil, whatever. And then, still in the bag, the $25 bag, look at this beautiful, I'm sure this is an Egyptian hip scarf, which is a very large one, probably too big for me, but in and of itself, that was a great deal. I'm not sure if Mary had even worn it. Beautiful, but just fabulous. Okay, and here's the little, yeah, but wait, there's more. And this awesome pair of little shoes, which are great. So we will just try those on. It's winter, so it's cold, but I did just do my nails. And look at that. Oh my gosh, adorable. And you know what I have done with shoes before like this that I've wanted to wear for gigs that not too intense dancing was I will attach like some gold elastic around here to hold them on if I want to do some light dancing in them. But anyways, super fun. This whole bag, my face, thank you, Mary. It's great. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Again, so what, I will not use this off the shelf, as they say. I will probably with this skirt, I'll have to make this a little bit tighter because as I said, I'm kind of on the small side, and I may leave that straight, I may curve that, I will definitely add some kind of border trim to the sides and the bottom. And what I'm thinking this could be fun with is the layer of that orange hip scarf or a different one, and then like a silver coin belt over it. The top could be worn then with this, or even a different, even just kind of a funsy bed lie. I've got this other idea maybe, or one of those inexpensive like silvery broad tops with this. The thing is, here's the thing on costuming, and that I think in terms of three, because some people would say, oh, orange and silver, great, but here's the deal. You need one more color as a, one more color as an accent. So what I'm thinking, of course, which is kind of Egyptian-y, and this is sort of going with the, you know, walk like an Egyptian theme, is maybe like a little bit of turquoise on there. I don't know, could be super fun. So that's what I'm thinking on that. I showed you about the deck. Oh, wow, see, that's a lot of silver coming off. That's the problem with a lot of these fabrics. I don't know, maybe that's why Mary was getting rid of it. But you know, that happens with this stuff, which is fine if you want to be covered with that stuff for a party. But what I will have to do so it doesn't cover other stuff is, which I've done with other fabrics, is store this. This will probably have to go in a dry cleaner bag. And this will never again be like this. This will be hung on a hanger, because here's the deal. Once you've put all that work into things, you iron it, you press it, you keep it on hangers. That's what I do. I'm probably more fastidious about costumes than I've seen anyone else. Thank you, Mom. Okay, there's more. These, and these were from Rachel too, who makes costumes, Rachel Brown. I will link her up in the show notes. We'll also link up Kata Yoon. Look at these two. Look at how adorable she wrapped these. I got them for a more contemporary, like the dress that I just wore for the Art and Elegance. We did the fundraiser, the belly dance fundraiser, where we helped to raise $5,000. Yay! And there's still more. Okay, and this skirt, which from Rachel said was from Elena Faye, who, very cool. She wasn't there today, but we danced all together at this University of Maryland fundraiser at the National Building Museum in 2015. We'll link that show up in the show notes too. I was actually looking for something a little bit more saturated in the color. However, look at all that fabric, look at the sparkle, and it's obviously needs totally new elastic, and it's too long for me, but this is what I love about a swap meet, is that you say, hey, fantastic piece of fabric. It's a blank canvas. So I can put new elastic on, make it shorter. I can keep the slit open. I can close it, probably keep it open. And then if I didn't want to add anything to it, I wear one of my overskirts, which has a lot more palettes, beads, that sort of thing. And you can see that in a lot of my costuming. I like to layer. I got the layering inspiration, of course, from my superhero, Jensuya. Jensuya, get it? I love her. She's amazing. Love lots of them. Okay, and the diaper pen that came with the Sharif wear. Okay, so all of this. So we've got the grocery bag. We have the beautiful Sharif wear gunmetal little outfit, which is going to go with my charcoal gypsy costume for a different skirt. We got the galabia, the Belady dress, which will probably be for school gigs and stuff. Jazz that one up. We got Elena's skirt. We got Mary's whole silver ensemble. Fabulous, fabulous, wonderful jingles, which Rachel doesn't like jingles, but I do. She likes them on beads. She doesn't like them on this. That's okay. Her fabulous bracelets, Mary's shoes, and there it is. So the entire bag, $60. Thank you, dancers. Swap meets are so much fun. I'll have a blast. These are way too many projects. I hope I get them all done. If you like this, if you found value in it, smash the like button. Tell your friends about it. Watch our costuming video. We'll link that up also and it's an inspirational one on how I get my inspiration for making costumes. There's another video you can see of us, some of our green room stuff, things that occur to me while we're in the middle of a gig, restaurant show. We'll link up Patty Yoon's page. Thank you, Patty Yoon. She did an amazing job. So much fun in the notes, and spread the good word. Rock on. Bye, dancers.